In a sea of performance SUVs like the BMW X5M, the Audi 6 repeats rakish profile, hunker down stance, and supercar driving character, or rare and special. Powered by a 591 horsepower twin turbocharged V8. This station wagon is a performance beast, shooting to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds and capable of a 190 miles per hour top speed. That'll make Costco runs a lot more interesting. At the same time, the long, roof body style can comfortably seat 5 while carrying nearly as much cargo as chunkier, less athletic SUVs. And though the 6 Rapide leans heavily towards sporty driving, the interior features a classy design, sumptuous materials, and all of the latest technology. Along with the high-riding performance SUVs, the 6 Rapide Avant does battle with other pricey performance wagons like the Porsche Panamera Turbo S Sport Turismo. This car comes in only one spec, but you can deck it out with lots of fancy options. Unless you want a gray car, you'll have to pay extra for a different paint color. We'd have our spray in the pretty Navara blue metallic. We'd also select the black optic package, which gives the wagon an even more sinister look with black exterior bits and snazzy 22-inch wheels on summer performance tires. Those who want their Avant to reach 190 miles per hour will have to shell out for carbon ceramic brakes. But we'd spend that money on massaged chairs up front and the executive package, more leather, covered surfaces, heated rear seats, soft closed doors, and a head-up display. Of course, our wagon needs the optional sport exhaust so we can revel in its intoxicating engine sounds. Audi endows the 6 Rapide Avant with a twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, which generates 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The power plant combines with a 48-volt hybrid system that's found on other Audi products, such as the A8 luxury sedan and the Q8 crossover. The 6 Rapide Avant feeds its standard quattro all-wheel drive through an 8-speed automatic transmission. The combination helped rocket our 5,031-pound test car to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and complete the quarter mile in 11.5 ticks at 120 miles per hour. Complete the quarter mile in 11.5 ticks at 120 miles per hour. But those numbers don't accurately demonstrate the wagon's glorious ability to increase our heart rates and tingle our eardrums with its breakneck acceleration and badass soundtrack. Rolling on a set of 22-inch wheels with summer performance rubber and buoyed by a sport-tuned air suspension with adaptive dampers, our Tango Red 6 Rapide Avant test car was able to deliver a relaxed or rollicking ride depending on the selected drive mode. The long roof Audi also felt extremely agile thanks to its 4-wheel steering and torque vectoring rear differential. Ours stopped from 70 miles per hour at tidy 160 feet with the standard brakes. A set of front and rear carbon ceramic stoppers are available for a sizable sum, and the upgrade unlocks a higher top speed of 190 miles per hour.